Good day, everyone. Today I will talk about compassion, how it is expressed through caring for other people and the environment, and the role of communal discernment in making Pan Pacific University and the world more compassionate places. First, what is compassion? In my own understanding, compassion is more than simply feeling sorry for someone. Compassion means recognizing the struggles, needs, and feelings of others and being willing to take action to help them. It is not just about sympathy, it involves understanding kindness, respect, and genuine desire to make a positive difference in someone's life. Compassion can be expressed in many ways. We show compassion when we listen to people who are experiencing difficulties. We show compassion when we help classmates who are struggling with their studies. When we support our friends during challenging times. And when we treat everyone with respect and regardless of their background, belief, or status in life. Compassion is also important in caring for the environment. The environment provides us with clean air, water, food, and many resources that sustain our lives. When we care for nature, we are showing compassion not only for ourselves but also for future generations. Simple actions such as reducing waste, recycling, conserving water, planting trees, and avoiding pollution are examples of compassionate behavior toward the environment. And when we neglect the environment, many people suffer from the consequences. Pollution, climate change, and environmental destruction affect communities around the world. Therefore, caring for the environment is an important responsibility that reflects our compassion for others. Now, let us discuss communal discernment. Communal discernment is the process of making decisions together through listening, reflection, dialogue, and consideration of what is the best for everyone. Instead of focusing only one personal interest, communal discernment encourages people to think about common good and the welfare of the community. In a university setting, such as Pan Pacific University, communal discernment can help create a more compassionate environment. Students, teachers, administrators, and staff can work together to identify problems, listen to different perspectives, and develop solutions that benefit the entire community. Through open communication and mutual respect, people can better understand each other's needs and concerns. For example, when students participate in discussion about school policies, community projects, or environmental initiatives, they contribute to decisions that promote fairness, inclusion, and compassion. By listening to one another and working together, the university can become a place where everyone feels valued and supported. The same principle applies to their wider world. Many global challenges, such as poverty, environmental issues, inequality, and conflict, cannot be solved by individuals alone. They require communities, organizations, and nations to work together. Through communal discernment, people can find solutions that promote justice, peace, and compassion for all. In conclusion, compassion is the ability to understand the suffering and needs of others and take action to help. It is expressed through kindness, respect, service, and care for the environment. Communal discernment helps people make truthful decisions together for the common good. By practicing compassion and engaging in communal discernment, we can help make Pan Pacific University and the world a more caring, responsible, and compassionate places. Thank you and have a great day.